Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody is doing well. So today we're going to make an easy crochet pattern, which is corner to corner granny stripes. So it is beautiful and easy. You can use any yarn of your choice, provided you use the recommended crochet hook. Here I'm using acrylic crochet yarn and 5.5 millimeter hook. Without further ado, we'll get started. I'm gonna start with making a slip knot and chain 4. I'm gonna make total of 4 double crochet in the first stitch from the hook. Then I'm gonna chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same stitch as chain 3, 3 double crochet in the last stitch. So I'm gonna increase for 5 rows of granny stripes. I'm gonna make an increase in the beginning, means I'm gonna chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same stitch as chain 3. Then with the increase, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in every space I have in between, and in the last stitch I'm gonna add 3 double crochet as well. That's for the first part. So no matter how big you want it, if you want a blanket, a pillow, or any project, the only thing you need to remember that you start working as a triangle, means you make granny stripes in a triangle shape, and once you reach the width you want of your project, then you start closing like the C2C by making the decrease the way we made it here. As simple as that. So the first part for my project is made of 6 rows, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna start the decrease. So for the decrease, I'm gonna chain 3, and I'm gonna put 3 double crochet in the next space and in every space. In the last stitch, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, and I will do the same for all the next rows. So I'm gonna chain 3. I'm not gonna make any double crochet in the beginning of the row, which is in the same stitch as chain 3, but I'm gonna put 3 double crochet in every space till the end of the row, and till I'm left with only chain 3 in the last row and double crochet in the next stitch, which will be the last row, and it will shape the triangle. And at the end, once you shape it, you obtain a square corner to corner granny square. Don't forget to check the written pattern in my blog or the PDF pattern, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.